What I know is there are some rules that you need to apply in making a great cup of coffee. And see if the taste is still gonna be the same. But same measurements, you're getting to see that, oh, my coffee is great. Barista disciplines. That crema, that golden brown crema, people, they like it. It's sometimes that crema is a little bit of bitter or like harshy in the tongue. But now I had to wait it for not longer, because the longer you wait, still again the espresso will become dead. Eliminate that cream, but I don't want to scoop it out, because once I'm scooping it out, it's like I'm killing the strength of the espresso.
Delicious.
This is actually nice.
Because not all the time baristas you can just get an on-point shot.
So you can drink it like properly and enjoy it.
I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope I'm gonna come back with more videos. Bye bye.
NPG, Killer Boys. Alright.